Hey guys, so we're gonna do a little walkthrough through Capri, a little walking tour. So this is the dock area, and they have like different taxis there where you can take it to different parts of the island. They have a couple of restaurants, a lot of seafood places. They do have public bathrooms that you pay for, like 50 euros. And they have a lot of spots where you can go ahead and get tours to go to the Blue Grotto. And we're gonna continue our walking tour. It's really pretty over here. And they have a lot of shops also for shopping if you want to buy some couple of things, souvenirs, clothes, bathing suits. I have a couple of souvenirs here. Oh, so you guys can see how the fruits in Italy looks like. Look way better than back at home. Look at this. Beautiful, just full of color, and I bet they taste real good too. At least the ones I've been having for breakfast taste amazing. They're known for their melons out here too. Oh, Italians are also known for making their own sandals. They say made in Italy, not in China. And they're very pretty. A few more souvenir shops. Each of these little seashells are like 5 euros. can get fresh orange juice here. I've noticed out here in Italy they have a lot of orange trees all over the place. You can just like grab an orange and be on your way. They're also known for their melons out here. I've been having melons a lot for breakfast and like the limoncellos. They have one in like in lemon flavor obviously, and melon flavor. And I actually bought one and it's really good. Oh, if you want to rent a scooter, this will be the spot right here. So that way you can sightsee more of Capri. A couple of more restaurants this way. I think like up that way is like where people live, houses and stuff like that. Yeah, like people live here in these buildings here. A lot of the store owners here told me that they were hit really bad with COVID. So they had to close down shop for a long time and they're just now starting to open. They're starting to pick up on their economy, you know, with the tourists. And they're getting a lot of more tourists now, mostly Italians, Europeans. A lot of people have told me that we are like some of the first Americans they've seen in a very long time. I was actually surprised because I've seen some YouTubers come to Italy 2021. Maybe they just go to different parts of Italy. But I was told that in Rome and in Positano that we were the first American tourists they've seen at that hotel. These are some of the houses in Capri. I know this guy. I know him.
Massage.
That's my husband, by the way. I'll put up the name of the beach.